Okay guys, so today I'm going to be doing a video of slime. So, first I got my spoon and I got my knife. So for this, that's what the knife is for. And then, after I got my knife, I got the shaving cream stuff. And then I got some glitter if I want to put some glitter. And then glue, obviously. So guys, we going to get this glue in here. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. So the glue is in there, so we're going to begin. So after when I got the glue in there, I'm gonna shave off some, but I'm gonna do the pink eye one. I'm gonna do like this color right here. So yeah, after when I get that out, I'm gonna show y'all what I'm gonna do next. So I got it in the thing, so we're just gonna spray it. So guys, let me show you guys what I put in. 3, 2, 1. Shabam! So guys, I got it in now, and then like I'm going to mix it. So. All done mixing. So after mixing, I'm gonna put in my shaving cream. So let's add it in.
How?
Okay, that's it. So I stirred it up really good, but it kind of changed the color, so I'm okay with it. But like, it is cool like at the bottom, so I'm just gonna still stir. Hey guys, I will be doing ASMR videos. Trust me, it's just allowed in this house. Why? Next is the activator. 3, 2, 1, activator. I poured in the activator. Next, I'm gonna stir. La la da da do. So guys, I'm mixing and I'm about to take it out of my hand. 3, 2, 1, pop, pop. So this is the slime, guys. This is take it. Hold up, I got all this slime on my hand. This is the slime. I'm gonna give you a little ASMR. So listen very closely. Don't mind my fingernails. It was coming off. And guys, comment down below if y'all want some slimes, because I do sell slimes. Okay? So guys, bye guys! Make sure you subscribe, turn on the post notifications, and give me a big thumbs up. Bye!